Welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be installing a turbo hard pipe silicone hose, which is a SAMCO Sport one. So I only needed one pipe, and in order to get the uprated silicone hose for the turbo hard pipe I had to buy a set of 3 pipes, because for some reason you can't buy it individually. So the 3 hoses cost £146.10, and the cheapest I found it was from burtonpower.com. The code for the kit was TCS624, and that was this kit here. So I only need one pipe, like I say, but it only sells a kit. I don't know why. I looked everywhere, but it only comes as a 3 hose kit. So in the kit you get an uprated silicone inlet hose, which is this one here. Just get the stickers off it because I'm stuck to it. So you get some SAMCO stickers there. Yeah, this is the inlet hose, which goes from the throttle body to the top of the intercooler. I don't need this one, as I already have the Ford Motorsport inlet hose fitted, which I installed a while ago. I'll insert the video above now, so if you do get an inlet hose you know how to install it. Yeah, so this is for sale on my official eBay page, which is OWEN 1984.29. I'll leave a link below so you can see it. Yeah, this is the Ford one I got. This cost me 71 quid from Motorsport. It goes to the top of the intercooler, the stage 2 intercooler, the AirTech one. But obviously it'll fit on the standard intercooler as well. It just has a smoother, wider internal bore. So obviously the throttle body's here, and then it runs from there down to the top of the intercooler. So that'll be the SAMCO one there. But I'm actually selling this for 60 quid on my eBay page, so I paid £71 for the Forge one, and I'm selling the SAMCO one for 60, and it's brand new, unused. I don't need it, like I say. So if you're interested in buying this and adding one of the hoses to your Mk3 1 litre EcoBoost Focus, or Fiesta for that fact, yeah, you check out my eBay page, which is below. So second, you get the uprated silicone turbo hard pipe hose, which is the one I wanted the kit for. This will go, there's the turbo hard pipe, it'll go there. This pipe here, this rubber hose, it feels very flimsy, where the silicone one is a lot more robust. So it'll go there, the turbo hard pipe, and run to the bottom of the intercooler. I don't think you can see it because it's bad lighting, so it just don't focus, but yeah, I'll show you when I'm installing it anyway. But that's the turbo hard pipe, and you can't get this on its own, you have to get this kit for it. I don't know why. And then the last piece in the kit, which I'm not too sure about, is this small section here. I don't know where this goes, to be honest. So if you or the viewers know where this goes on the car, leave a comment below, because I've had a look and I don't think I know where it goes. So yeah, just leave a comment below if you think you know where it goes. So yeah, that's the 3 pipes: small section, turbo hard pipe hose, and the inlet hose, which is like I say, on my eBay page for sale. So you're probably asking yourself, what's the benefit of the uprated silicone hoses over the standard OEM rubber hoses? Well, it's a high performance silicone hose built using motorsport proven technologies. These hoses offer improved reliability, durability and aesthetics. These hoses have a lifetime warranty, so obviously if you ever go faulty you can contact the company, because they should never go faulty. They're race proven, delivering performance under extreme temperatures and pressure. The OEM rubber hoses can deteriorate over time due to high underhood temperatures, etc. Silicone hoses are far more resilient, they expand less under boost. So the rubber ones, OEM ones, as they get older, you probably collapse under inwards, or they split, or other things. so you could, you know, affecting performance and, you know, causing issues with your car. These hoses are better at transferring the boosted air from the turbo to the engine. Silicone hoses have superior flexibility compared to the rubber OEM hoses. The silicone hoses, they maintain their flexibility over their lifespan, unlike rubber hoses, which can split, harden, or become dry rotted, which is no good for your car. And the silicone hoses have a smooth internal bore, offering less restriction than the OEM rubber hoses, which can be seen for when I fitted the uprated Ford Motorsport inlet hose. Compared to the OEM one, it really narrowed in the centre of the OEM pipe. And after all that, they're also a visual improvement in your engine bay, because you get different colours, whichever suits your colour of your car or whatever you want. Obviously I've gone for black to keep it looking OEM, but you can get red or, you know, orange or the lime green, whatever, you know, whatever suits your car. So yeah, so they're the benefits over the rubber OEM hoses. So they are worth it. They can be expensive to get into different hoses, but definitely worth it. Like I say, his kit costs 145 quid. But yeah, I only needed one hose, and then I think I've got the full set. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show me fitting the uprated silicone turbo hard pipe hose. Yeah, I'll show you which parts to use. I think all you need is a good socket set there. I've got a CK1. I think it's a 7mm socket, which will get, you know, the Jubilee clips off. You know, the top of the turbo pipe on the bottom of it as well. But yeah, I'm going to film that now for you. Right, so fitting the uprated silicone turbo hard pipe hose. Jack the car up, make sure it's safe, and obviously. Taking the under tray off, and then undone the top Jubilee clip. That's a 7mm socket. The other one's a bit more difficult as it's further down there. Hoping you can see it. That one there. So I think it goes under the frame in the car, so I'm going to get underneath and try and undo that one. But that one's done anyway. So I've managed to get the bottom part of the turbo hard pipe hose off. It's an absolute pain because this front panel, front of the car is right in the way, so you have to try and get your hands in either side of it and yank it off. It's another 7mm Jubilee clip, but as I was taking it off, it shows how fragile these OEM rubber pipes are. Well, the pipe was starting to, like, you know, twist and fold inwards like it was collapsing, so you can imagine it under pressure, or you can imagine it splitting eventually. So they're not very good. So this is probably why you upgrade to silicone ones. But yeah, the bottom ones are nightmares to try and get off. This is it goes into the other silicone pipes, into the air take intercooler there. But yeah, I'll take the pipe off at the top up there, and I will show you, the condition of the old OEM rubber pipe. But yeah, that was a bit of a nightmare to try and get off at the front. But yeah, it's actually off. Here we're just taking the turbo hard pipe silicone hose off now. Just slide out now. There we go. A little bracket holds it in place down there. But yeah, that's what it is. There's the old rubber one. See how you don't even have to press it hard, it just squishes in, look. So there's the old one. And there's the SAMCO one. But yeah, as I was taking off this one, it just folded inwards like that as I was trying to squeeze it off to the end at the bottom. just started to fold inwards, so you can see why they fail and they're not very good under pressure. It's very easy to squeeze it. I mean, I don't think the diameter is nothing wrong with the diameter of the pipe, pretty much the same, but like I say, you upgrade these because they're more robust and resilient and a lifetime warranty, so they should never fail. Made of a sterner stuff than the OEM ones. So yeah, now that's off, the OEM one, I'm gonna fit the SAMCO one. Right, so I've managed to get the bottom one on. Right, so I've managed to get the bottom section of the upgraded silicone turbo hard pipe on. It was an absolute nightmare. Obviously because the silicone's a lot more robust than rubber, it doesn't bend as easily, so to get it onto one of the charge pipes, it took me ages, so I had to use a bit of Vaseline around the pipe work, and just try and strip it on the best I could. I've also put the top part of the turbo pipe on as well, so just double checking I've got it on, shoved on far enough onto that pipe there. Sorry about the noise, someone's decided to cut the grass while I'm filming, so I do apologise. Yeah, so top of the turbo wire pipe tightened up, 7mm Jubilee clip, and the bottom of the turbo wire pipe, which is down there, got that focus as you zoom in, that one down there at the bottom, that one's been tightened up. That was the worst part of the job, trying to squeeze that onto the pipe work, going to the intercooler, but it's on, it's secured. So I found out where the small section of the silicone upgraded turbo hoses went. I was looking around the engine bay and I virtually changed all the hoses apart from this little section here that goes from the throttle body into the inlet hose area. So I've changed that over. If you do it, that was a 10mm bolt there, and all the Jubilee clips like 7mm. That one's a bit fiddly to get to down here. But yeah, you have to unclip that as well and tape off I think that's a map sensor, so you have to undo that as well. But yeah, it's so that's where it went. So yeah, at first I didn't know what it was, but found out where to put the little silicone hose piece there. So yeah, changed all the hoses now. So job done, new SAMCO Sport uprated silicone turbo hard pipe hose put on. Probably the hardest part of the job, like I said, was trying to fit the bottom end of the pipe onto the pipe work to the intercooler. That was a nightmare. But apart from that, it wasn't too bad. So yeah, I've got a full set of hoses now. This is the primary, crossover, secondary, inlet hose, and now the turbo hard pipe hose. So yeah, it's all matching now. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now is just going to start the car and check for any leaks or any fault codes, just in case there is any leaks or anything, but there shouldn't be. So yeah, so I'll do that now. Yeah, so just checking for any leaks. Can't see any. Can't see any at the bottom either, down there. Can't see any at the top when it's upstairs either, so got no fault code coming up or anything. So yeah, all in all, pretty good job. Yeah, like I said, apart from the stuff, it's fitting the bottom part of the hose, the pipe work for the intercooler. But yeah, it's a pretty easy job. So yeah, like I said, if you're looking to start upgrading your pipe work, and you need the inlet hose, like the Ford one, but yeah, I've got a SAMCO one for sale on my official eBay page, which I'll leave in eBay page description below now. Yeah, 60 quid I'm selling the Samco one for. This one here, the Ford one, was £71 I paid, so yeah, a bit cheaper than if you bought it somewhere else. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, yeah, please like, share, subscribe, click on the bell icon for more notifications of new content, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.